Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable dark mode on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. If you spend a lot of time on Discord, dark mode can make the experience easier on your eyes, especially during long chats or late-night sessions. Let's get started. First, open the Discord application on your computer. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you have access to all the newest settings and improvements. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture along with a small gear icon right next to it. This icon takes you straight to the user settings. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings menu where a variety of options are available. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find the option labeled Appearance. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the section where you can change how Discord looks. Within Appearance, you'll find a setting for theme. This is where you can choose between the default light theme and the much preferred dark theme. Simply select dark from the choices available and you'll see the change happen right away across your entire Discord app. The background will turn darker, giving you a more comfortable and stylish look that's perfect for long use. That's it. Just a few quick clicks and you've successfully enabled dark mode on Discord. This simple change not only reduces eye strain, but also gives your app a modern and sleek design. If you ever decide you want to switch back, just repeat the same steps and choose the light theme instead. Now you know how to personalize your Discord app with dark mode in just a matter of seconds. Try it out today and see how much better your browsing and chatting experience becomes.